after 6 months of owning this car, and everybody asking, oh, when are you gonna do your first mod? When are you gonna do your first mod? Well, today is the day. Package arrived, waited all day for this, but let's get into this. Just got finished raining, as you can see. I'm glad, because I didn't want to have to do this in the rain. But this is what we've changed in today, boys. You know, should be nice and easy. New car, so bolts are pretty fresh. That's good. But get a little unboxing action here with the key. I don't know what kind of tape these guys use, but god damn, hard to do with one hand. So we got cover, elbow, hardware, and filter. But look how unlucky I am. As soon as I start, got the bonnet open, and it started raining again. Damn. So I'm gonna pull the car in the garage and do it in here and out of the rain. God. But here, we got a stock intake. Well, it doesn't sound bad. I'll insert a clip right now. See, stock one doesn't sound that bad, but I bet you the new one's gonna sound even better. I'm gonna start off by taking this off, but as you can see by screwdriver, length is key, boys. Length is key. First thing first, we're gonna pop this out. Nice and easy. I don't know if you guys can see, but then we gotta go pull from under there. Let me get to that. Yeah. Oh, got a little bit of oil in there. Just like that. Got this fully out. About to disconnect that part. And down there you can see the little turbo. Just like that, we're all buckled up. Cone tightening. Elbow tightening. Just gotta tighten up these, put on the cover. Then let y'all hear how it sounds. Sound check. Before I put the full cover on. Give you guys a quick interior clip. That just sounds amazing. That's it for now. I'm about to put the cover on, and then next, the exhaust. On my way to another meet tonight, you know what I'm saying? Getting a quick wash. Shout out guy. Oh, he didn't get pulled out. He can't start it. He said I gotta fire this guy. So with this guy.
Hey, Mr. Jordan.
Come to find out ain't no gas in it. Come on, my boy. Well, anyway, it looks clean, but get up close. Motherfucker real dirty. Oh man. Hey yo. Run a quick montage for y'all.
Hey yo, Ran, turn that up.
I try to tell them different, they ain't never listen. I'm showing them my views, but they still ain't get the vision. I can't get too comfortable, I'm on a money mission. The first nigga took me, his family and I'm missing. I put it on my, bitch, I put it on my soul. Sitting in the trenches and I'm stepping 10 toes. Do it for the fam and I do that shit for bro. I don't fuck with niggas, they be moving like some hoes. I ain't had to do too much, I just flashed my pole. Get back for your gang, I sit down, nigga, you getting old. Bring the tech to spread, nigga, how we gon' fold? I can mind distance on that one nigga toe. Yeah, shit hurt, but I got my move on. Bad bitch hit it, yeah, I tell her get her move on. First blood nigga, yeah, I cannot do wrong. Me and my niggas locked in like a
Nice and clean. Oh my god, ready for the meat. Damn, shit is butter.
And I was trapping from the daily, so I ain't never had to work. It ain't shit to fuck around and put a nigga on a shirt. Yeah, and mama told me fucking chill, but I tried, nigga, but these niggas want me to kill. And I know the fucking pride, but they know what the deal. Yeah, I know what the deal. Yeah.
Me and all my niggas get the badges. Yeah, bro, we ain't no switching up on my doors never. No matter the change, my chain slinging, I need water. Not focus on no fame, staying to the death for me. I'm only a man, can't do this any better. Yeah, I remember sleeping steps in the bar.
Cars them outside.
I was in a moment in the field, like dog shit. Still gotta be that
I feel more comfortable in the crowd. Scorpion has arrived.
Yes, bro.
I'm gonna insert the clip too.
Look, I'm holding my pockets. I'm like, oh!
I'm not gonna insert the fucking clip on why he called himself Scorpion, bro. Who's that? What is that? NASCAR? Oh man. Oh, it's Dre God.
I like him a lot, bro. Hey, yo.
Cam, man. Shout out to the Cam. Shout out to the Cam, man. Ready, TK? Huh? It's open.
You the one that said you forced that gay shit, bro. Nah, I didn't force it.
What's up, my boy JG's? Okay, for the YouTube. It's for the YouTube, bro. Puff a spliff, man. Make come to your body.
Everybody back there phone now.
You know what I'm saying? Content for days, bro. Yo, Zay. You see how you look at this frame, my boy.
Some man dude's puff.
Shit, yes, sir. Saying a bear day keep the devils away.
I swear, bro. Let me see what one of those games. Don't vlog me, bro. I'm gonna slap that shit out your hand.
What are you drinking, though?
It's the white.
Whites. Don't drink and drive, kids.
We don't do that.
Nah, we don't do that.
We drink and fly. Okay?
Fly.
Make sure this is vlog playing.
It's vlogged.
Yo, stop vlogging, man. Keep vlogging.
From man shut man the dog. Yo, YouTube cancel man the dog.
Yeah, this type of niggas, bro, that,
Cancel, right?
you know what I'm saying? That just
Done. Done out.
I'm gonna edit a glizzy on your lip. Yeah, man, just like that. Watch him come closer, feet. That man. I fool this. Watch him. Back up, youth. Uh-oh. 360.
You gotta have bro.
You my light, Tyler. Zoom on that guy. He's my light right there. This nigga keeps saying he walk y'all for fun, bro.
This man of our video, we have not try to give me. You see me?
Look, camera, look.
He walks you
look.
for fun.
Y'all too.
He can't say he walks me for fun,
Look.
bro.
He definitely did.
He definitely
He definitely did, bro.
Paris, I have videos that I could post, bro.
I beat-
It'll be
I
embarrassing.
beat this M3 right here. This
Oh,
piece
shit.
of shit.
Oh, man.
I beat this guy.
I'm not even
You
gonna do the
gotta
focus.
insert the clip right here after this. Insert
This
the clip.
nigga literally tries to
I
cheat.
beat this
He tries to
540.
cheat in races and still loses,
Okay?
bro.
Insert the clip when he edit this, okay? I beat both of these niggas.
Mars, I don't
All
gotta do much.
a naturally aspirated V8.
Let me go
Feel
for
me?
it. Wow.
Yeah.
Sleeper build.
You gotta go. Sleeper build.
Yeah, man, that's sleep. I am a sleeper build, bro.
Yeah, that shit is sleeping on the road.
Just look.
Say clip.
It's a clip, bro.
Clip him.
Yeah, clip.
My foot with that one, man.
That ass nigga.
Come on, bro.
Bro, where is he?
Man, sit down.
Where is he? Where is
What are
he?
you doing?
Where is he? Where is he? Where is he, bro? Where is he, bro?
Guys,
Where is he? And I have one that's even worse, bro. I'm not even
that's
gonna show
when
that.
I didn't know how to drive the car. Now I have
You had
mastered
the car
the
for
car.
like 2 years.
I have mastered the car now. I have mastered the car now.
Bro.
So that will never happen.
Nigga said,
again.
car for like 2 years, bro.
Nigga said you too wild. No way. No way, Dodge boy, I talk so. No way, Dodge boy, I talk so.
Mine was spinning too. My car was spinning too. You hear my car spinning?
You wanna roll tonight, bro?
Oh, shit.
Definitely roll, bro.
Oh, shit.
I'll definitely roll.
Oh,
Bro,
shit.
We could go on the
Because you know what's
87.
gonna happen, and you're gonna get fucking embarrassed
Bro, we can't-
every single
Movie.
time. Like
You
you
say
always
the
do,
movie.
bro.
We could do it
I
tonight.
can post clips of me moving you,
Bro,
bro.
we could do
Oh
it
my
But I'm not
tonight.
gonna be
God.
like,
Alright, let's do it tonight, bro. This
We
is
will.
This is the official race for
Real
tonight.
niggas will put money
Me
behind
and this nigga. Bro, me at $50, bro.
Saying you want to pay your gas? Why you gonna pay him gas, bro?
you should pay my gas, bro. I feel like I'm wasting it racing you, bro.
Oh my God.
He folded, nigga. You know he's been slow.
Vans. What's this? 340?
This is who I just seen.
Yeah, we seen. Who is it?
Who is this?
I don't know. I just seen it. I just seen his plate too. Clean. E39 M5. F80s. Another F80. This shit is clean though. Damn. I don't even know where the next spot is at. But damn, everybody now leaving now. God damn. Oh. The next spot, I don't know what the next spot is. Damn. Yo, Cyan, you good? I'm gonna block them off. You stole on it to me. Oh, man. Got him right there. That's the point.
Content boys. There's a bitch up here road. DB boys. Oh.
Hey, yo, Ren, turn that up.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I try to tell them different. They ain't never listen. Showing them my views, but they still ain't get the vision. I can't get too comfortable. I'm on them.
What you did say?
I ain't do nothing, bro.
Tell the story, bro.
Tell the story.
Tell the story about the tin ticket.
Tell the story.
I got a tin ticket situation, bro. I ain't do nothing, bro. I'm fighting the tin ticket. I'm fighting the speeding ticket, bro. And I'm fighting no front plate.
So that's why you shake his hand?
Yeah, bro. Because he could have ate my dick, bro. I was like, yeah.
Take the spread, nigga, how we gon' fall? I can mind distance on that one nigga toe. Yeah, shit hurt, but I got my move on. Bad bitch, shit, yeah, I tell her get her move on. First blood, nigga, yeah, I cannot do wrong.